Hidden inside almost every kitchen is a small white bulb that most people barely think about. Yet this ordinary ingredient has quietly grown into one of the world's most valuable superfoods, powering a multi-billion-dollar global industry. But here's the real question. Have you ever wondered what it actually takes to grow, harvest, and process millions of tons of garlic every single year? The story begins far from supermarket shelves. Across endless sun-drenched fields, garlic plants spend months slowly maturing beneath the careful watch of experienced farmers and modern agricultural technology. Once the bulbs reach perfection, the race against time begins. Freshly harvested garlic is rushed to advanced processing plants where sophisticated machines and skilled workers transform it into spotless bulbs, peeled cloves, garlic oil, health supplements, medicinal ingredients, and even cosmetic products. Today, Machine's Visit is taking you behind the scenes of one of agriculture's most fascinating success stories. From rich farmland to high-tech factories, you'll discover the hidden journey behind one of the most powerful ingredients sitting in your kitchen. So get ready. We're about to step inside the surprisingly extraordinary world of garlic. When it comes to garlic production, one nation towers above every other competitor. China has become the undisputed giant of the global garlic industry. Despite years of international controversy, including repeated allegations surrounding labor practices within parts of its production chain, the country still produces more than 20 million tons of garlic every year, supplying over 80% of the world's garlic and exporting it to markets across nearly every continent. But garlic hides another secret that few people know. Unlike many crops that reproduce through seeds, garlic is propagated almost entirely from individual cloves. That means the clove sitting in your kitchen today carries nearly the same genetic identity as countless generations before it, preserving its characteristics through centuries of cultivation. And garlic's value extends far beyond flavor. Inside every clove is allicin, a naturally occurring sulfur compound famous for supporting the immune system and helping defend the body against common illnesses. Interestingly, this same compound also serves another purpose in nature. It acts as a natural defense mechanism that discourages many insects from attacking garlic fields, allowing growers to reduce dependence on excessive pesticide use. Even consumer preferences can completely reshape an industry. In the United States, shoppers generally prefer garlic bulbs that appear clean, perfectly shaped, and visually attractive. Recognizing this demand, Christopher Ranch built its reputation around producing premium quality, locally grown garlic instead of competing solely on price. That strategy allowed the company to remain competitive even while inexpensive imported garlic flooded the American market. So here's something worth thinking about. In today's agricultural world, what truly creates long-term success? Is it producing the largest quantity possible, or delivering exceptional quality that consumers are willing to pay more for? No matter where it's grown, every garlic bulb begins exactly the same way. During late autumn, usually around November, individual seed cloves are carefully planted beneath the soil, marking the beginning of a growing season that demands patience more than speed. For the next 7 to 8 months, the plants quietly develop underground, while only their green leaves hint at the hidden treasure slowly forming below. Then everything begins to change. The once vibrant fields gradually turn shades of pale gold as the outer leaves dry and collapse. For experienced farmers, this isn't a warning. It's the signal they've been waiting for all year. Harvest season has finally arrived. Unlike many vegetable crops, garlic requires one unusual preparation before harvesting can begin. Several weeks beforehand, irrigation is deliberately stopped. Allowing the plants to dry naturally while still rooted in the soil strengthens the outer skin, improves storage quality, and prepares the bulbs for mechanical harvesting. Modern commercial farms rely on specialized garlic harvesters, machines engineered specifically to lift delicate bulbs without damaging them. Unlike heavy potato harvesters designed for much larger crops, garlic harvesters perform several operations simultaneously. As the machine moves through the field, a thin precision blade slides beneath the garlic rows, gently lifting entire plants from the soil. Immediately afterward, vibrating conveyors shake loose soil away from the bulbs while naturally separating dried leaves and stems. The leftover plant material has little commercial value. Most of it is returned directly to the field where it naturally decomposes and enriches the soil, while some farms collect it separately for compost production. Depending on field conditions, soil type, and crop quality, a single harvester can process between 10 and 20 tons of garlic every day. This remarkable efficiency makes modern harvesting ideal for supplying large industrial facilities that produce peeled garlic, garlic powder, frozen garlic, essential oils, and countless other garlic-based products. Yet speed isn't everything. For premium-grade garlic destined for high-end markets, human hands still outperform machines. Even the most advanced harvesting equipment cannot consistently distinguish between perfectly shaped bulbs and those with cosmetic imperfections. That's why premium garlic is often harvested manually. Workers gently pull each plant from the ground before carefully arranging the bulbs into orderly rows with their leaves overlapping. This simple technique creates natural shade that protects the bulbs from direct sunlight, reducing the risk of skin damage and a condition growers commonly call neck burn. Over the next 5 to 10 days, the garlic slowly cures beneath the sun and breeze. Its outer skin becomes tighter and lighter in color while the characteristic aroma grows noticeably stronger. Timing during harvest is absolutely critical. Leave garlic underground for even a little too long, and the bulbs begin splitting apart, losing moisture, storage quality, and eventually much of their commercial value. Farmers therefore have only a narrow harvesting window to complete the entire operation before quality begins declining. Although manual harvesting demands far more labor and time, the reward can be substantial. Beautiful, perfectly cured garlic bulbs often command prices up to 50% higher than standard commercial grades because they're easier to store, transport, and sell. As harvest season comes to an end, endless truckloads of freshly cured garlic begin rolling toward enormous processing plants. Their next transformation is about to begin. One that turns simple garlic into products found in kitchens across the world. Powerful enough, at least according to legend, to keep even the most determined vampire at a very safe distance. Upon arriving at the factory, towering crates filled with freshly harvested garlic are unloaded by forklifts and transferred into spacious storage areas. Here, the bulbs rest briefly after their long journey from the fields before entering one of the industry's most remarkable production systems. When processing begins, each crate is carefully emptied onto conveyor belts that slowly carry the garlic toward the first cleaning stage. Rotating drums gently remove loose soil, dried roots, and remaining field debris, revealing clean bulbs ready for inspection. Next comes the first major quality checkpoint. Inside modern factories, vibrating grading systems fitted with carefully calibrated mesh screens automatically separate garlic according to size. Only bulbs displaying uniform dimensions, intact dry skins, and minimal surface defects successfully pass this first examination. But machines still have limits. After automated grading, experienced quality inspectors carefully examine every batch once more. Even with today's technology, trained human eyes remain remarkably effective at identifying subtle imperfections that automated systems may overlook. Some facilities inspect well over 200,000 pounds of garlic every day, making thousands of rapid quality decisions with incredible consistency. Now the garlic begins separating into different production lines. The most attractive bulbs, often jokingly referred to as the beauty queens of the harvest, continue toward premium whole bulb packaging. Their sophisticated multi-level grading machines divide them even further. Small bulbs pass through lower screening levels while larger premium bulbs continue across upper decks before automatically entering dedicated packaging stations. Without a single worker touching the product, some industrial systems can grade and package 3 to 5 tons of garlic every hour. But consumer habits have changed. Many people no longer want to spend time peeling garlic before cooking. That's exactly why pre-peeled garlic has become one of the fastest growing segments of the industry. Its journey begins inside large rotating peeling drums that gently separate the outer papery layers from the bulb while keeping the cloves grouped together. The cloves then enter carefully controlled steam chambers. Warm steam softens the delicate outer skin, making it much easier to remove without damaging the smooth white cloves hidden underneath. Moments later, the garlic moves across vibrating tables where precisely regulated streams of compressed air finish removing the loosened skins. Even these discarded skins don't necessarily become waste. Many processing plants collect and recycle them for agricultural applications, including certain livestock feed ingredients and composting systems, helping reduce overall waste. The freshly peeled cloves then enter one of the most impressive machines in the entire factory, an optical sorting system. Using advanced cameras and intelligent imaging technology, the system analyzes every single clove in milliseconds, identifying discoloration, cracks, bruises, size variations, or any other imperfection. Any clove failing to meet strict quality standards is automatically removed from the production line before reaching consumers. Only the finest garlic survives. Those selected cloves undergo one final washing process to eliminate any remaining impurities before passing through carefully controlled drying systems that preserve freshness, texture, and flavor. Finally, they're weighed, packaged, sealed, and prepared for shipment to supermarkets, restaurants, food manufacturers, and kitchens across the globe. The result? A simple innovation, pre-peeled garlic, has now captured nearly 25% of the garlic market, proving that in today's fast-paced world, convenience can be almost as valuable as the product itself. Even if this roasting process slightly changes some of garlic's natural compounds, it unlocks an entirely different side of its personality. The bold, fiery bite slowly fades away, giving rise to a rich, mellow flavor that's deeper, sweeter, and impossible to forget. Everything begins once the peeled garlic cloves have been carefully graded for uniform size and quality. Next, they're coated with a carefully balanced seasoning blend. Depending on the recipe, this usually includes extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and fragrant herbs such as rosemary or thyme. Every ingredient is measured precisely,